Hey everyone that's viewing this. Here is a Hunter Wellesley ceiling fan in bronze. This was originally in the office when we bought the house in 2013. Well, I think we might have been the ones that put it in. I'm not sure. But there was originally a chandelier in here, and then somebody hung on it that used to live here, and it fell down, so we had to replace it with this fan. And it originally had the Hunter chains on here, but then I've been changing the chains every time. I've been changing them every time. I've been changing them a lot. But then I finally got these chains for the fan. But yes, these are brass. And there's only one switch that runs the fan. And it also turns on its light, so sometimes I have to yank on the chain to turn it off. Dr. Wellesley right there. I'll pull it just for like a second. This is a nice fan though. I'll put it on low. It kind of accurate. Sometimes I have to pull the chain twice for it to turn off, or even the switch. This is the second hugger fan in this house. The hugger fan right here. This wasn't originally in the house when we got it, but I think we could have got it at Lowe's before they changed all their fans. That's me with the Wellesley. I just took a video of the fans in the living room, and I'm running it through the camera app. I usually run it through camera because they're not long when I do it on YouTube, so I have to cancel it. And I'm only going to run the fan in my parents' bathroom on low because it's really wobbly on high and medium. And I'm afraid that a blade could break off and it could start wobbling. So I'm only running it on low where it's not that wobbly. I'll put it on medium. Oh, it's still running on low. Sometimes I have to yank it twice, like I said. But that was the brass thing that hung on that one right here for the fan. I had to take it off because every time I yanked on it, it kept falling off. So I had to replace it with the older looking one. That one right there. This fan's not very fast on medium. It's not very fast at all. But this is medium though. If you go to church soon, I might video the ceiling fans they have there. That's my front yard over there. You can't see it. Oh, there you can see it now because I just tapped on it. But on YouTube, it flips the camera around. That's me with the Wellesley, like I said earlier. But these light shades were, they were originally on the fan. This fan's never had any problems at all. Now I'll put this on high. It's got cold blade arms. This is its full speed. This is the full speed I run it through. Sometimes. And you can tell when the blade is darker because I tried bending it a little to see if it would wobble even more, because the fan was originally wobbly when I first played with it. Still running? Nope. It always it wobbles when I turn it off. That's because I hit the blades and it makes it wobble a lot. That was some video of the Wellesley today. I'll see you soon on other videos. See you soon. Bye. Oh, that was low battery.